So today's episode, just going to be cracking on with some jobs. Not going to be filming a huge amount, it's probably going to be quite a short one. So I will just get straight into it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. So I've already welded on the driver's side A panel. Didn't bother showing you that because there's no point, it's the same as the other side. The only thing I am going to show you that I'm going to do slightly different to the other side, learning from mistakes and all that lot, is when it comes to folding this lip, I'm going to put a strip of MDF on the outside just to try and see if that will help some of the waviness. The other side is borderline okay with a bit of filler. Certainly for a first attempt, I'm happy with it, and so I will have a go at doing it with this piece of wood along here like that, and see if that makes it any better or easier or worse, who knows. Well, pretty happy with that. A million times better than the other side. Absolutely no additional ripples other than obviously the welding, but I can easily deal with the rest of it. Lovely. Kind of wish I'd done that on the first one, but live and learn. So yes, happy with that, and it's solid as anything. So yeah. Chuff for that. So that's it for this episode. The drive side A panel is all on and primered. Still need to coat body filler, but that's fine. And I made a start tubbing the rear wheel arches. I've not filmed it because if you want to go and if you want to see how to do it, go and watch Paul P's video. I will add a link in the description. There's no point me showing you how to do it, and you might as well learn from the master. So here's how far I got. I've still got to make up the panel to go in and weld that in. One slight mishap, I started cutting along the wrong line. Wasn't really paying attention, but other than that, very happy with how it's gone. So hopefully tomorrow I will cut the panel to go in, weld that in, and then crack on with the other side. Then once that's done, that's all of the welding done, and I can then crack on with the last little bit, cleaning on the front end, and then stone chip. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.